Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Guess what we're cooking today? The clue? It's a traditional snack from Indonesia, usually served with sweet palm sugar sauce. That's right, today we're making Serabi Pandan. Usually Serabi turns out dense, but this time we'll make it light, airy, and full of texture. And for the sauce, no coconut milk, we're using FiberCreme. FiberCreme is sugar-free, high in fiber, lactose-free, gluten-free, and has zero cholesterol. Let's get cooking! Don't forget to like, comment, save, and share this video. First, let's prepare the Serabi batter. It needs to rest so the yeast can rise. That's the key to making Serabi fluffy and not dense. Mix all-purpose flour, rice flour, sugar, a little salt, yeast, and baking powder. Stir well, then slowly pour in water while mixing to avoid lumps. The batter looks smooth now. Add 1 egg and stir again, then a bit of pandan paste for that nice green color. Cover the batter with plastic wrap or a clean cloth and let it sit for 30 minutes at room temperature. While the batter is resting, let's make the sauce. Instead of coconut milk, we're using FiberCreme. Add palm sugar, white sugar, a pinch of salt, water, and pandan leaves for fragrance. Once it's warm, stir in FiberCreme. FiberCreme is a perfect coconut milk substitute because it's sugar-free, high fiber, has zero cholesterol, no gluten, and no lactose. It blends smoothly without curdling. That's the magic of FiberCreme. Add a bit of cornstarch slurry to thicken it, then turn off the heat and let it cool. Now let's check the batter. After 30 minutes, look at all those bubbles. That means your Serabi will turn out airy and soft. Pour the batter into a hot pan on low heat and cook until done. Make it jumbo size like mine, or mini ones up to you, as long as it's fluffy, not dense. All the Serabi are cooked and look perfect with lots of little air bubbles. Time to plate. Place the Serabi on a plate, pour the sweet palm sugar sauce on top, and finish with durian. So, who's a durian fan here? Hands up in the comments. Here it is, Serabi Pandan with FiberCreme topped with durian. You can find the full recipe in the caption or description box. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the FiberCreme YouTube channel. And turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next recipe. What should I cook next time? Write it in the comments below. Bye! I'm going to eat this Serabi.